Yo, why can I get a laptop? This is like you're infected with malware. Yo, yo, yo. If I don't get a machine computer, I will get a computer virus in my mind. Yo, if I don't get a machine computer, I will get a computer virus in my mind. Yo, if I don't get a machine computer, I will be infected with a computer virus in my mind. If I don't get a machine computer, my mind will be infected with a computer virus. Be contaminated with viruses, contaminated with cease and effects, contamination of viruses, and I don't know. Yo. If daddy does not give me a laptop, which is a machine computer, my mind will be contaminated with viruses. I will be infected with. Yo, I'ma tell you, mind viruses, what's up? Tell you, mind viruses, what's up? Self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. Negative self-talk. Mind virus, what's up? Self-limiting beliefs, negative self-talk. Past experience, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. Yo, self-limiting beliefs, mind viruses, negative self-talk, negative self-talk. Yo. And past experience, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. Past experience, yo, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. And past experiences, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. Oh, I get infected with. You're not gonna give me the computer. Now my mind will be infected with the God-given computer. Infected with. Nobody wants to give me a laptop, so my mind is infected with, contaminated with viruses. Yo. Mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs, negative self-talk. Yo, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. Yo, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs, negative self-talk. Yo, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, past experiences, mind viruses, self-limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, self-image. Yo, when my mind gets infected with, all of you be crying to me, cause our God-given computer is infected with. All you guys are crying to me. Yeah, I cannot get on the computer, so I think I have a computer virus in my brain. Yo. Past experiences, negative self-talk, self-limiting beliefs.